Hi everyone, welcome to the Inspire Design School of Fashion. My name is Jumoke, and in today's class I'll be showing you how to revamp your old shoe, how to turn your old shoe into a new or better one by wrapping it with African print or any fabric of choice. First, we're going to dismantle the shoe a little bit so that our work can be neat. We're going to remove the inner lining and then the outer sole of the shoe. Then, using our gum and our fabric, we're going to revamp the shoe. If you are joining this channel for the first time, please subscribe, please, and then remember to turn on your notification because I'll be uploading different DIY videos regularly. Check up all our previous videos for more interesting videos on dressmaking, shoe and bag making. And if you are interested in learning how to make shoe from scratch, join our online class on Telegram. It's just 5,000 naira for shoe and bag making. I'm going to drop the link in the in the description box below. Alright, so I won't be talking much, just follow and then just practice. Thank you. Alright people, so that's it for today's class. It's as easy as that, it's as simple as that. So get working immediately. Get an old shoe or even a new one that you want to give a new look. Get your gum, get your fabric and transform immediately. Also, I would like to see your practice work. Share with us on our Facebook group, the Inspired Design School of Fashion. Let's see what you are doing. And like I said, if you are interested in joining our online class, you want to learn shoe and bag making the easy way and the DIY way with materials that you can source internally, as in very easy to source material, just check the link in the description box. I'll be dropping it below. You're going to pay a token, but it will be worth what you are paying. Alright, so that's it for today's class. Hope to see you in my next class. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out. Bye.